Hello, Namaste. I am Poonam Upadhyay, and I am so sorry I am so late because there was some confusion and I was doing live on some other page, my daughter's page, I suppose. Thank you, Aditi and Disha, for intimating me and bringing me to my page. I'm so sorry for that delay. And now you all can join in. Thank you, Disha. Yes, I am. Please go. So, we are talking about habits, and today, last week we had an amazing session where you and we all together built or connected a community where we can help each other in each and every possible way. So, to change our behaviors, if we have some queries, others came and helped them, and if I had some queries, others helped. So, it was a very wonderful initiative. I got a request to continue this initiative. So, today we are continuing with it, and today the topic is about habits. Uh, so, Aditi, am I on proper page now? I'm so sorry, I have to learn from all of you. So please keep me guiding. As I told you, guidance is very important. So thank you so much. As I told you, it's not always elders are always giving the instructions, and younger ones are always listening. It is reverse too, where we have to learn lots of things from you. Your energy is really vibrant. So who wants to come live first? So there is my nephew behind. He's he wants to say hi, Devansh, to all your friends. Come. So he's my nephew. What is your name?
Revanche.
So you have some questions to ask?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you. So now he is happy because everyone is coming live, so he also wanted to come live. So, who is coming first in this? Hi Sahil, I'm glad you joined. Hi Aditi, hi Pari, hi Soumya, hi Disha. I don't know, we have to give chance to each and everyone. I feel he wanted to come. We always tell him go, go, go. So he is very, like somewhere conservative. So that's why he came. Chupke se. So I hope it's fine with you all. So who wants to come live first? Pari, shall I take you live first? Thank you for joining in, guys. And Disha. So we are discussing about habits, and I want you all, like, we will not judge. If someone puts a question, we will not judge the answer is right or wrong, or the habit is good or bad. We will let them judge, okay? And but we have to give our opinion, our solution, what it is, and if you need, if how you can change that thing, because habit is very important thing, and somewhere we have to build a good habit. And if you have a good community which are helping each other like us, definitely that will we all will flourish together. So let's see who wants to come live. Okay, Pari. So actually, I requested all my family members, the kids who are staying with us. Also, I encourage them to come live because somewhere I feel that with you all guys, we also will be connected. And if they have something which they cannot speak to us directly, all your help, I think they will also, get connected and will tell their queries. So I don't know, they're joining. By that time, I will check who is live more. Pari, is your camera? On? I want you to come live. There is Vince. Hari, just come in network and then I'm calling you. By the time Disha has also sent a request, so Disha also declined. So who else want to come live? Uh, so let me discuss my. Even I am very very bad in many things. It's like organizing things and remembering certain things. So who all are in that category? I try to do multiple things, but yeah, and I try to help also. I try to give good solution if someone is asking. That is one thing I feel that people feel that yes, I connect to them. But in another scenario, that thing I also need your guidance, how you do and how you can improve. So Sahil, are you ready to come live? So me, in what perspective you are telling, like what you let's tell about one good habit of yours and bad habits of yours. So I'm taking Sahil if he can come live. Range issues, okay, no issues. Aditi. So as I told you, habit is very important criteria. As we are in that teenage now, we are easily influenced by the friends, by the social circle, everything. So what happens? We don't think from our intellect point of view that thing is right or wrong. We just go with the flow. So what happens at some certain times we take major decisions where we feel that we will be in benefit, we will be benefited, but then that doesn't help. So that is very important to that we should not go with the flow. So that's why we should have such friend circles or in community or such group where we can talk to each other. So I want Disha. So Disha, you wanted to come live, no? Anyone else? I don't know why we are not connecting today. Even Aditi, I tried. Uh, Dimple. Who wants to join in? To join in and let me know. So we have,
Can you see me?
yes, Disha. Hello, how are you? No, she's so busy, so we rarely see her. So I want to know one good habit and one bad habit, something which you feel, or you want to ask something, anything is fine.
Uh, what habits do you have which like you do it all the time but then you regret about it? So
Nice question, but yeah, I think we are in same place with that. Hmm. I always
I
try
always
to
try to
keep a
keep
timetable
it
and try to follow it,
follow it,
but then I am
but then
unable
I
to
am
do
unable
so.
to do so.
That's why I
That's
regret.
why I regret.
We have Nilesh
Have Nilesh
Upadhyay. He is
Upadhyay, who is
also my
my
brother-in-law.
brother,
We'll take him
will
also.
take him.
Namaste, Udresh.
Namaste, Udesh.
So, what is
So,
your
what is
point
your
on?
point?
I think you have
I
to
think you
go
have to go
about the brain
about
so
the
that we
brain
can
so
speak
that we can speak.
properly.
Yeah, 1 second, 1 second.
So, I will
So,
take
I
you again. Okay. So you all guys, you can answer this question on the in the comment box. That which is one habit which you feel that you regret. You always have that habit and you feel that I have to change this, but you regret and you don't follow it. What happened? अच्छा, कौन है? परी? So first, we are speaking about this. I'm again calling Pari. She is asking again and again to come live. So please, this is about like habits. What habit we are building? So very good question. Disha asked that which are the habits which you feel that you need to change or you need to bring some good positive step towards it and work towards it, but then we don't change it. Using too much phone, yes. Nowadays, in this scenario, phone has become our friend as well as enemy because in both the situation it happens. Pari, I don't know. I cannot see you. Please come in that range where or on your video so that I can see you properly and we can talk. You don't want to on your video, then we it's fine. You tell me what is your question or query. Issue. I cannot see you, but people can see me. They are typing also. So come in good network and then speak. So please, by that time, everyone join. So is anyone able to see Pari? Acha, she is unable. Disha again. Disha, I will take Aditi live and let's see if she comes because she had one last week. She had some queries and she had tried to build a timetable where she thought that she will practice for 1 week and see whether it is working for her or not. So I don't know. Okay, Disha, I'll take Disha only. So what is happening? Why you all are not typing today?
today.
Yeah. Is it still echoing?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Yes.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Can
Do you have to
everyone
Do you
hear
have
me?
to go to the other room?
I just closed the door. I thought it would work.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
So,
So,
what is your
what is
habit?
your habit?
Food habits?
You. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
My food habits are not so good, but I love, like, I have a sweet tooth. So I love having sweet. again and again, again and again. I can't stop eating chocolates and all the junk food, even though you are always behind me that you should not eat that. I'll make it for you. You been asked when we used to eat Nutella. I mean, we still eat. So you said that we make Nutella at home. I'm still waiting.
These people getting really big,
You
you
have
have
to
to
other
come in
network,
other
otherwise
network, otherwise
already
I'm
recording
already
for you.
recording for you.
Sorry.
You told me
You
you
told
close
me
it
you
because
close
I
it
will
because I will
cheek,
take
my cheek
my
too.
cheek too.
Is it fine?
But
So what shall
so
I
what
do?
shall I
If
do
you
if you put some money?
I'll just
I'll just
connect.
connect with you.
Let's see
Close
if
the
I
door
can.
behind
I
you.
can.
Okay,
Okay, who can do that?
Just a
Just
second.
a second.
Someone closed.
Someone closed.
So there
So
is
there is
even I
even
can't
I
stop
can't
people.
stop people.
I think I'll
I think
connect
I'll
with you
connect with
already.
you already.
My voice
My
is
voice
echo
is
is too
echo
much.
is too much.
Is it normal now? I want someone else to join in so that I understand that what is the issue and I'll who else want to come live and this questions you can type in the comment box so that we know that it is properly it's still echoing. Aditi, do let me know. Okay. So shall I disconnect and then again come live? Today everyone is declining the video call. I don't know why. No? Yes, you declined, Udesh ji. It's clear now? Okay. The voice is clear. Is the echo there? Who wants to come live so that I can bring them live? Or just type on the comment box, no? At least so that at least we form that Disha had a sweet tooth. So she told that even Disha, you can comment. You have a sweet tooth. So that habit you want to change or you don't want to change? Is it fine according to you? What do you feel, guys? That eating too much or having a sweet tooth, so eating lots of sweets and sweeteners or Nutella, is it fine with us? Is it fine taking all that? Yes or no? Yeah, it is fine. Yes or no? Yeah. Acha, means we have to understand that how it is fine or it is not. Disha, from you also I want to know, is it fine or no? Yes or no? Because now we are at home, we are in this lockdown situation. So first of all, we are not eating food which is closer to nature. We are not we are not also going outside much. Activity is too much reduced. And what is happening, and we can just take rounds of our kitchen. So in that scenario, what will happen? In that scenario, once we eat, last week also we had discussed this point that the sugar is such that it will try to it will not stop at one pace. So if you are eaten a chocolate in a day, next day you will satisfied when you eat two chocolates. So in 15 days then you will have 15 chocolates. So you will feel then you will feel that that is fine. So that is all is happening. So So in that scenario, what should we do? Want to change the habit totally, Disha. So Disha wants to change this habit. So I want to ask. So Sahil is also answering that yes, reduce it or completely stop it. So if can you reduce it you should be very genuine. Can you reduce it completely or stop it completely? Is it possible to you to take such decision? Okay, wow. You stop drinking tea, Nilesh. Wow, very nice. Because in this situation, something we have to change so that we can concentrate on our health. So, a good habit if we can stop something which we are doing from very long time. But when there are long habits which are built, which take longs to build up, it is not very difficult to reduce also that habit or stop it completely. So, what is the situation where we can complete it or we can stop it or we can reduce the habit? So I want suggestions from Aditi, or I want the suggestion from all of you that what we can do for such habit which is very long term and which cannot be reduced or which cannot be stopped in a day. We will require some time. So how we can go about it? I want this answer from Disha too. So I want you all to type. I don't know when I'm taking live, so there is echo coming. So we will just go into that conversation, and then at last, we will see that if that live video is working, because due to that, our topic is getting somewhere sidelined, and I don't want that. So Sahil is telling I want alternatives could be preferred. So what alternatives you suggest, Sahil, for such? Because there are, and in this lockdown, what has happened? Gym is not working. Yeah, very true. So sugar can be replaced with jaggery, and Nilesh is asking. So even Disha is asking what is alternative, what to do. So we have to first reduce our plate size. Prefer jaggery. First, you have to understand and mentally prepare yourself that this thing will not work with a certain, like if you feel ki today you take a stand that I am leaving all that junk is there, and from tomorrow onwards I will not eat at all, not even a single piece. It for in thousand, one or two will have that courage, that motivation that will continue for the long run. But it is not for all of us. And majorly, we all live together. We live in a family. We live in a community where we all help each other, and we all are somewhere responsible for each and other habits. So suppose I am not eating, but someone else at my family, I see them eating, and then that question will come in my mind again and again, that how can I change the habit? Oh, I will have that one, at least one piece, kal se start karungi. So what can we do? So Uddesh is like, yeah, habits can't be changed in a day. It takes time, slowly and steadily, to take control. We need to take baby steps. So yes, what is that baby step? So today we will help Disha that what baby steps she can take, or someone in you also, because in this lockdown what is happening, we are eating more of junk food. It is happening with all of us, even me. We all are somewhere, because sometimes it happens that it's there in the kitchen and we go and then we try to grab a piece and then we complete the whole packet. So what steps we can take? So I want suggestions from all of you who are questioning. From them also I want suggestion, so that we think it, and we have to think it. So today's generation, it says that you all are very smart. So Aditi is telling it is original, made by our relatives. It has good vibration and is organic too. Even determination method. So that is a different perspective. Yes, but jaggery in that case, sugar has uh, zero carbs. Only sugar has only carbs and zero nutrients. So it is not good for our body, and it will get deposited as a fat. What will happen in that scenario? You will feel very lethargic, very lazy. You will sleep for more time. You will feel like you will not be active. You will don't feel like working more. So that all will happen. So yeah, very good option. McDonald's, stop eating pizza, Domino's, and all that. That has loads of cheese, fat, sugar, preservative, which will emphasis more on taking that thing. So we have to stop all that. But how can we take the first step? How can we take the first step? How can we control our habits, or how can we control our cravings? How can we take, what will be our first step in that scenario? What will you do if you are stuck in that situation? Sahil has a good point that it's not good to completely stop eating sweet. It might trigger hyperinsulinemia. uh, yeah. So Disha, if you go to some different room and, and then you message me, then I will take you live. I don't know, maybe that connection is connecting and some issue is coming. So my voice is echoing in that scenario. So first I want solution. What is happening today? What will you do if you are in that scenario where the habits you are there? For me, it might be, you know, overthinking and doing less of action, or for you it might be something else, not managing your time properly, or not concentrating, or all the things together. So I will just take Disha again, and I will try by that time, because now she is I think she wants to she's determined that she will change, and she wants to bring that change in her. Hi Disha.
Hi, Tisha.
Hi.
So
So,
echoing.
going,
It's still echoing.
It's
it's
echoing from
echoing
my
from
side.
my side.
So I don't
So, I
know.
don't know.
I will just
Change my position,
and tell you,
and tell you,
maybe ask
maybe ask
her.
Wait.
Go to last
go to
room
last school,
and then
and
message
then
me
message
where you
when you
network. We can
network.
connect
We
from
can
this.
connect from this.
Okay. So Sahil has a good point. I mean, start diverting your mind to food products which are healthy and are less harmful. I can't see your face. Am I audible? Can people see me properly? He has very good point, that yes, the we can divert our mind. What we can do is we can Google our things, like what sugar has, and what are the things which are available, and how much we have to eat, how much quantity, and what is there exactly in that packet. So if you have Nutella, or if you have something preservative, what exactly you have in that packet, is it healthy or not? If it is healthy, thumbs up. If it is not healthy, what will it have, what will it do to me? So because we feel, we try to see profit in each and every scenario. So suppose it's like, Arey, it will only make me fat. If this is that criteria, okay, theek hai, chalo chalega. But then try thinking consciously and thinking more, like what, like if I make fat, what will happen? Think about the future. Fat in the sense, fat in just alag different scenario, means it will impact my education if I am a student. It will impact my college life. My activity will be less. So in that scenario, what will happen? I will be affected, and the thing which I am doing in 1 hour, it might take 2, 3, 4 hours to do. So is it good for me? Is it not good for me? Because if 100 people are telling us that that thing should not is not working for you, you will not listen. But then you yourself, if you realize this thing, you will realize, you will understand, and you will make that change. Uh, so am I correct? Do you agree with me? Then put a thumbs up. And I want Sakshi, if she can join in, because then I will come to know that there is my network issue or some other network issue. Then I will take my members to the in the video. Hi Tia. So Disha, hi Drashti. So again, my nephew has come. He just keeps me reminding that yes, we are moving ahead and हमको जल्दी session complete करना है. So we are helping Disha here. So all the newcomers joined here. We are talking about the habits, and today we are helping Disha here or someone like Disha, because we each and everyone we have that habit. Who, from many years we are trying to come to change certain habit, but we are unable to do so. So in that scenario, how will we change that? And where Disha has one query, she has one genuine query, and she is very reluctant to change her sweet or cravings habit. So here we are helping Disha to change that. So if you all come together and give her some solution, she will definitely work on it. So for this all newcomers, I want your responses also, and if you are also in that category or some other category, do let me know, because that live thing is not happening properly, so that's why I am unable to connect with more of you. Otherwise, I wanted to take more queries, but so so what? So Nilesh is telling we need to change our habit. So habit तो change करना है पक्का, पर कैसे change करना है ये हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है जानना. उसके अलावा we gave some solutions like first go Google, deeply search that why that habit is bothering you. Another point is why we need to change the habit. What is the requirement that like how will it impact me? So Tia is telling that just send her at my house, so that she will be more spoiled and more pampered at your place then. Hi Mitali. Hi Rishita. So you also have some habit of sweet cravings or something? Do comment so that we all can help you out. Second thing, we are like this habit is very like it doesn't take it from many years, it is there. So slowly and steadily we are moving ahead. So that point we got. Now second point is that how this habit will affect. So Sahil is giving effect to avoid things or areas that influence you to eat sweets. So what happens right, suppose I come from some place, so I don't feel, I'm not hungry, I am not thirsty, I have my tummy is full, but then too I will go to kitchen and I will feel carry, I'll have that one thing. So then we have to be very this conscious about what we are choosing. So first thing, what we can do consciously, building a community where we all come together, and we take a thing like we will not bring such things at our place. the first thing which we can do. So suppose initially if she is looking also badly for that thing, that will not be available. And other thing what we can do is like eating mindfully, where if she's having Nutella or a chocolate, so instead of having the whole bar, what she can do is she can cut that into small pieces and distribute among all and then eat. So she will get little. Please let me know if you are agreeing with that. The other thing is eating mindfully, as I told. This is third point. So sit down properly. What happens now? This is a very like a thief when these sugar cravings are there, or that junk food cravings are there now. We will, what happens usually now, we will go to kitchen for some other work, and then we see that thing, we will grab that, eat in the kitchen unconsciously. Suppose we don't know how much we are eating, what quantity we are eating, and then again we'll go out, again we'll come to kitchen for some work or some nearby thing, again we'll eat. So what we can do, suppose you want to eat initially, take a plate, take how much you want to eat, and sit at one place and slowly and steadily chew that thing for 30-35 times. What will happen? So suppose you are having like chips packets in junk food category. So you take one chips and you chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it. So what will happen? You only will get tired, and slowly and steadily you will take, the quantity will be reduced. So today, so that I can do that. I think we can suggest her. Or other thing is use all the senses, nose, the name of that dish, and the taste, the touch of that feel, and then slowly, steadily eat. So in that scenario also, what will happen? That we will eat slowly, slowly, and their habit will be reduced, but that should be consistent. So any other points? So Disha, like, do you agree with all this? Though we are talking to a single person, but we all have that thing. And today again we have come to food only, and this habit is there in most of people, which we can feel either in the form of junk or in the form of sweets. So this will help in all the cases, I feel, which we can take, and other also can suggest. Willpower should be strong. Yes, yes, we should have will. So Disha, you have one more this like willpower. So if you are agreeing that you will not eat sweet or you will not eat junk, Disha, Tia, all this age group people, or even us, someone like us, because willpower should be strong at every age, because we should understand what is beneficial for us. Are we looking out for that minute benefit which will be there for only little amount of time, for some few minutes, which will give pleasure, or are we are looking for long term leap which will help us to achieve something better? The best thing, so yeah, Dudesh is telling that Disha, ask your mom to hide all your junk food and chocolates. So here the scenario is different. Disha only hides all the junk food and chocolates, and when it's over, we just see the wrapper. So sweet craving is such strong craving. We feel that it's like minute and all that. We had discussed eating disorder and many things. So this is also a similar thing. So yeah, I'm not coming to eat. Okay. So I think anyone has any other queries, or otherwise we'll end the session. And I think we have like taken many points, and thank you Desh, Sahil, Disha, Nilesh, Mohit, joining in and giving solutions, and thank you. So any other queries Aditi or any other person has, because I don't know the Tia, Srishti, anything related to habits and all that we can discuss. Otherwise, I hope Disha is satisfied. If something is not there, we will bring her next time for sure. We will bring her online and we'll chat with her. There is some network issues. I don't know, some connectivity issue. So where is Disha? Are you satisfied? Do you need any other like, yeah? So you have lots of work to do, and we all also have got. I hope you all are like, just give me a like hi or thumbs up so that you know that you will, that is like for you also it will be beneficial, so that we can end this session. Pari, do you want to come live? So now, so all Disha's brothers and cousins. So now, if in this Raksha Bandhan, as Udesh is mentioning that lots of sweet are going to come, what can we do? So whoever brothers are there in this group, please uh, bring something which is healthy, not of sugar. So Disha is now very satisfied. Now, if you in Raksha Bandhan also she gets chocolates and sweets, I think she will not uh, she'll not accept. And now she's telling to all her cousins and brothers who are in now in this recall like live session, or who will be listening to the recording. So she is very happy with if you give her good clothes, new clothes instead of sweets or money. So new options are open now. So for your brothers and sister also that can be applied. So what is so I think that's yeah, Raksha Bandhan, and that is coming in festive season. Sometimes we cannot avoid people. There are people who avoid in that scenario also, but yeah, initially uh, bringing a balance is more important. So if we bring that balance in our life, we can do more. Uh, Slowly, steadily, that habit to form such habit is also easier. So with that point, I will end today's session. It was more a family session because many of family members joined in and others also joined in. Now everyone where we discuss has become as a family. But yes, you have some queries. We can decide, and we can work upon it. So Disha is telling I will try hard now. So Disha, let me clear this point before signing off. That don't try hard. Try to be easy and try to understand the scenario, that how it will affect your body or how much beneficial it is. Like as I told you, is it beneficial only, you want benefit for only that few minutes that you are eating and taking that satisfaction, or you want for a longer time not to eat. So Pari is also now in that category. She will also try not to eat. So next time they will be uh, they will be sharing their experiences. Not they. I want all of you to share the experience, because somewhere in this lockdown we are stuck in that situation where that thing is happening. So do let me know, and don't try hard on. Don't be hard to yourself. Be easy. Love yourself. Love not in the form of loving only with material things or loving only for one cause. Love yourself when you love yourself internally, you will realize that this all thing will actually like what is beneficial for you and what is not beneficial. So in that scenario, you will be easy with yourself. We have to give, that uh, unconditional love to ourselves, love our body, love our inner self, and that will help you to understand that perspective. You will never go to eat junk or to eat that chocolates or that sweets, because if you love yourself and you are not hard on yourself, you will realize what is important in your life and what things to give priority to. So I hope this is clear with you, and you will try to do this. And thank you. We are signing off now, but thank you, guys, for joining in. Thank you, Tantra for ladies, and like even Kushi Gandhi. Do attend our session. Do let us know what we can do. Yes, if you love chocolates, you can have chocolates, but we should know the limitation. Okay, okay. So with that point, I'm signing off the session. Thank you. Namaste, namaste for coming and showing your attention and love to and the change which we want to bring in community.